Hi, this video is to demonstrate that the clock that you're going to receive, the wall hanging clock, is in perfect working order. The important thing to remember is obviously when you receive it out of the package, what will happen is it will be packaged up with the pendulum independent. So I'm going to show you the method of hanging the pendulum and also the chiming mechanism, so what it sounds like and the fact that it's actually working. So let's try it out. First things first is to make sure that the actual clock is hanging properly. Second of all, remember that when you open this, that this does actually tilt the clock, but there's padding on the back that will stop it from doing so. As you can see here, there's the actual clock without the pendulum. The next part is to make sure that when you'll receive the pendulum in the box and that it's hung correctly. Once it's hung, it's making sure that it's sitting on the wall level. Obviously, the pendulum depends on the center of gravity, so what I would recommend is, if you do have it, is to have a spirit level. And I'm going to show you this demonstration here. So let's have a closer look. He's on the spirit level here. You can see that is just about right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to adjust it. Well, I don't think I need to adjust it, but that just shows you that the actual clock has to be level in order for it to continuously tick. If it's off center, then it won't, but this is just to demonstrate that this is working. So, for the purposes of this demo, we can see that that's working fine. Let me just put back the camera. Okay. Okie dokie. And I'm going to go through the chimes just for the purposes of sanity. So let's just have a look. So let's remove this. When that opens, that may or may not tilt. So what I'd recommend is it has a hook on the side here, as you would see with the pictures. But what I'm going to do for the purposes of this is demo the actual sound. And that's 11 o'clock on the dot. I'm just going to make sure it's wound, so I'm holding it tight. Yep, it's fine. Yep, perfectly tight. And this is the key that you'll receive. And just hook it back in. And there we go. Oh, let me just make sure that that's in the hole. Perfect. So there we go. That's the clock you're going to be receiving. That's a demonstration. The only thing that I'll probably say is that all you're going to need to do is just to hang it right. And this is just, I'm going to let it tick for a little while. And this is just to demonstrate that this is a working clock. Thank you very much, and thanks for your purchase.